Good evening, friends. Your friend Asif from Lucknow is with you. In this video, I'm going to speak English language. Okay? I will explain what is the importance of relationship in our life. You must have watched two of my videos on this topic. One was in Hindi and another was in English language. And the title of the English version was Sound Relation Base of Success. Once again, I would like to re-emphasize on my word. This is my experience. My marriage is 23 years old. Okay? So I can tell you that relationship is very, very crucial part of the personality. I would like to discuss a term, interpersonal skills. I would write down on the board. This term is inter, I-N-T-E-R, personal, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L, and skills, interpersonal skills. In short, we call it IPS. One expansion of IPS is Indian Police Services, but this is for interpersonal skills. Anybody who has undergone any training of personality development, he must be well versed with this term, interpersonal skills. Dear friends, making a healthy and sound relation is an art. If you follow certain principles in your life, definitely the relationship of yours with others will be sound and mutually beneficial. Please understand this word, mutually beneficial. A good relationship, a sound relationship is one which benefits both the parties. For example, if you enjoy these videos and if you find that Asif sir is imparting some knowledge which is implementable in our life and which can change the level of success, which can make us successful, which can make us more prosperous, definitely you would watch these videos, you would subscribe this channel, and in turn I will also become prosperous. I will also become more popular. So win-win situation is the best situation in the life. If there is a strong bonding between parents and children, both the parties get benefited. But you will observe that some persons in the family are such, everybody respects them. Everybody waits for them. When they come, people feel happy in their company. And there are certain persons whom, if we hear that they are coming, we get puzzled. We get disturbed. We say that, oh, who is coming? Again that uncle is coming, that boring uncle is coming. Okay. So we should introspect that what kind of personality we are having. Our personality should be pleasant personality. And for that, if you want to build up a pleasant personality, if you want to have a healthy and sound relationship with others, you will have to follow. You will have to, I'm using the word will have to. You will have to, there is compulsion. You will have to follow certain principles. Without principles, it's not possible to enjoy the relationship. And I will tell several principles. Today I will discuss just one point and the heaviest point in the field of relationship. And the name of that word is respect. Bacho, respect. Respect. Again and again I am uttering this word. I am verbalizing respect, ladies and gentlemen, respect. This is the first element which decides the success of the relationship. Any kind of relationship you talk about. Coming to teacher and student. Whenever the students come to my institute, you can, firstly, I want to take the chance to greet them. I say them, good morning friend, good morning, come. If I receive a call and I know that whom I am speaking to, that is my student, firstly I greet. Being a teacher doesn't mean that I should wait that let my student greet me, say good morning or good afternoon. He is an individual. We should respect the individuality of each and every person. We all are human beings. Some people are elder to us, some people are younger to us. But that doesn't mean that if we are elder to someone, we deserve respect. Respect is commanded. Respect is earned. You can't buy respect by paying money. There are many rich people who don't have much respect in the society. Whereas there are people like Kailash Satyarthi ji who spent all his life for the benefit of the underprivileged children, and he has got a lot of respect. Even he has got a good name for the country also by earning the Nobel Prize. So what I'm talking about, respect, bacho. Without respect, let me tell you, if you respect anyone, automatically love is produced, affection is produced. You will create a place in her or his heart if you really pay the respect. But the respect is of two kinds: genuine respect, sincere respect, and insincere and fake respect. I am very critical, very against the artificial respect. There are people, when they are in front of you, they talk very high about you. Oh sir, you are excellent, you are brilliant, tremendous. But the moment they go out, they talk negative. Never ever do that. My brothers, my sisters, if you have the guts, if you are bold and you want to criticize the person, you have any problem with the person, talk on his face. Talk on his face. Appreciation should be done on the back, and the criticism and all the problems should be discussed in private and in one-to-one capacity. I hope I am making the sense. We should have genuine respect for our parents, for our brothers, for our sisters, for our wives, husband, or any kind of relationship. We should have genuine respect. And if you find that the person doesn't deserve to be respected, what is the point in having the relationship? But I would like to tell you, we all have some strengths and some weaknesses. We all have, I am repeating my sentence, we all have some strengths and some weaknesses. If you focus on the strength of the person, definitely you will respect the person. If you focus on the weaknesses of the person, on the demerits of the person, on the improvement areas of the person, you won't disrespect. Respect starts from here, thought level. At thought level, you must have positive environment about that person. Okay? I don't want to make this video more lengthy. So I hope that these kind of things will definitely enlighten you, will definitely improve your thought process, your positivity level, your energy level, and ultimately you will have a better relationship with your family, with your colleagues, with your social acquaintances, etc., etc. I will be uploading several videos on the personality development, on the grammar portion for SSC and bank aspirants. I request all of you to please subscribe this channel, because the relationship between you and me, God willing, is going to be very long. So please like these videos, please share these videos, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much, my dear children, my friends, my brothers, my sisters. Thank you so much. God bless you all.